there, stampers and crafters. My name is Tami White from stampinup.com, and welcome to day one of my Easter egg hunt contest. I'm super excited about this. This is going to be so much fun. For the next 7 days, I'm going to be hiding Easter eggs all over the internet, all over my social media. And it's super easy to play, it is free to participate, and you could win Stampin' Up! Gift certificates just for playing. Here's how it works. First, you're going to want to download the Easter egg hunt map so you know where to go each day. You can do that by clicking on the link in this video's description or go to stampinup.com. Today is day one, and the very first egg is hidden right here on YouTube. In fact, it's right here in this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to reveal it for you in just a minute. Once you have your map, simply write the color of each egg that you find each day down on your map. And at the end, I'm going to provide a link for you to submit that. And all entries will be eligible to win. I will draw a random winner on April 1st. No fooling. And if you are watching this after the start date, it's okay. You can still play right up until April 1st. The deadline to play is March 31st, and to have your entries in, I will be drawing the winner on April 1st. So you can backtrack. If you started late, just simply download the map at stampinup.com or at the link in this video's description, and then go back to the social media platform that it lists for the days that you've missed, and you'll be able to find your eggs there. And if you're not subscribed to a social media platform that's part of the game, for example, Twitter, you can simply go to my Twitter account even if you don't have one, and you should be able to see the color of the egg there. But while you're on my social media platforms, if you do have an account there, be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss out on all of the ideas that I share. And I share across all of these platforms: Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, here on YouTube, and more. I have all of the links to all of these social media accounts on the map page, so super easy for you to find everything. It's going to be so much fun. All right, as promised, here is today's color. Day number one is Rococo Rose. Be sure to write this down on your Easter egg map as day number one. I've had so much fun putting this together, and I hope you have lots of fun playing the Easter egg hunt game. Good luck to everybody. Thanks, and happy hunting.